There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2015 Chrysler 200S in black. With bifunction halogen projector headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, power heated mirrors, dual integrated exhaust tips, 8-way power driver's seat, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 95,000 miles on the odometer, 5-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, electric power steering, rear 60/40 folding seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D6325A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.